Good morning, guys. So, welcome to Equity Guys Friday's pre-market video. So, due to technical issues, unable to upload video on Wednesday and Thursday, whereas the Tuesday's view remained same for Thursday as well as Wednesday, which is buy on dip, and you can see the market has rallied significantly. What happened yesterday? Sensex is up 1000 points, Nifty 50 is up 300 points, Nifty Bank is up 585 points. Mid cap, small cap closed extremely very well. What's next? Today is Friday. On Friday, can we expect some profit booking? Yes, definitely yes. Because 3 days of rally and a profit booking is possible. Is it in the first half or it is in the second half? That market will decide. But yesterday's rally is pure futures and options rally. It is not a cash market rally. So which is the certain levels being broken on the upside, and then we saw a significant rally. So what happened yesterday is a mild up in gold and silver up 2%, crude oil actually up 0.5%. India volatility index went down 4%, which is fantastic. I keep talking about India volatility index since a week. We started making a video. Even though there is a lot of fear in the global markets, there is no positive sign on India VIX. That is, India VIX is not up by 10%, 15%, 20%. Actually, it was down by 4% almost every day, which clearly said there is no fear. Let's get into the charts. The support for the day is 25,260. Second support 25,125, and the third support is 25,000. In the same way, the resistance 25,565, the second resistance 25,640, and 23rd resistance is 25,796, which is a gap of 1st October 2024. So what I feel is today, if we see a gap up of 100 points as per the GIFT Nifty, so GIFT Nifty is trading at 25,716 and July futures is at 25,615, which is around 100 points type of gap up. So after a gap up, if there is a dip towards R1 or towards the gap zones, that is the previous trading day close, that is the levels I'm looking for, or I trade my gap up trading setup. The idea is we should test on the daily time frame. You can see we should test 26,000 levels because the market was waiting for a breakout, 2 months of consolidation. The breakout came. First we got a breakout here, but the breakout failed. But is it a reversal? Unless this candle low is broken, we will not consider it as a reversal sign. The next day, what happened? There is a mild gap up. After a gap up, the prices closed above the important consolidation breakout zone, and you got a breakout. And then again, there is a gap up on Thursday, on expiry day, and the market is showing us such a strong green candle. For this, a breakout zone or a consolidation zone is the first target. That is the size of this consolidation is the size of the target on the upside, which comes somewhere near 26,000, 26,100 levels. So we should head towards. Then is it one-sided? No, there may be a dips, but overall trend remains on the upside. Nifty Bank yesterday hit all-time high. I keep telling you, even I said in Tuesday or Monday's video, Nifty Bank is the strongest index. So this index should hit all-time high even before Nifty 50 because Nifty Bank has only banks. Nifty 50 is like father. He has a lot of responsibility of all other mid caps, small caps, and everything else. So Nifty Bank is easy to go up. So it did an extremely good job yesterday. Sectoral indices is positive, except real estate. I think almost every sector did extremely well, which is definitely bullish. Advanced decline ratio. Can you see, even though there's such a big red green candle on the screen, both on Nifty and Bank Nifty, advanced decline ratio is not like 1:5. It is just 1471 versus 1396. It is just 1:1. This is why I said yesterday's rally is not through cash market. It is definitely through futures and options. So let's discuss global markets. So US 30, US 500 and US Tech 100 is mildly positive today. This is futures. Let's get into yesterday's market of US. Nasdaq is up 1%, S&P 500 is up 1%, Dow Jones is up almost 1%, which is fantastic closing. So let's see Europe. So Europe is neutral to positive. I think DAX is up 0.464%, whereas FTSE 100 and CAC 40 is neutral. So what's happening today? Nikkei is up 1.48%. This is fantastic. So what happened in Hang Seng? So what is the time now? 7:15. So Hang Seng is open. Hang Seng is also positive, and the Kospi is mildly down. I think Kospi is up 2% yesterday. That's why today it is mildly down. So FI and DI data was not available in money control. Let me check in the mobile app if it is available. If that is the case, we can go through the cash market data as well. So FIs and DIs data is, I think FIs bought to 12,000. I said 2,000. This is figure is extremely good. 12,594 crores. I think this has not happened in the last 6 months. I repeat this figure again, 12,594 crores buying from FIs in cash market, and DIs have sold 195 crores. And index futures, it is 4,800 crores buying. Stock futures, 3,166 buying. This is crazy figures from FIs, and I think it has never happened before. Other than after the corona, there was a all-time high breakout. During that time, we saw these figures. But after that, this is the only values I'm seeing. Near to 20,000 crores buying in cash market, stock futures, index futures, and FIs. This is fantastic data. The view for the day remains same, guys. Bio and dip. Overall trend is on the upside. Since we are in Friday, we may see some profit booking. It may be in the morning or it may be in the second half. So keep eye on 25,640 levels. So whatever levels I'm marking, you can mark it on your screen as well. I give more importance to R2 and S2. So keep eye on 25,640. If this is taken out today, we should head towards gap zone to fill the gap. And any reversals that comes in the second half, that should come after the gap filling zone, which is 25,796. So these are the two levels you need to keep eye on: 25,640, which is R2, and 25,796, which is a gap zone from where you can expect some reversals or a strong breakout. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day, guys.